So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a really simple travel planner inside Notion, just like this one, with an itinerary, a packing list, and even a Google map embedded right next to it. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is open up a new page in Notion. You can call it something like Travel Planner or anything you want. I've just gone with Simple Travel Planner here. Once you've got your page open, you want to set up the itinerary database. So first, let's create a header for the itinerary section. Type in /H1 to change the text size to header 1, then type in itinerary. I will also add in a calendar emoji and give the row a blue background. Below that, what I like to do is type /database and then just select database inline. This way it stays right on your page. Now go ahead and rename the database to something like itinerary, and you can rename the first column to activity. This is where you'll put things like flight info, hotel, sightseeing spots, anything you're planning to do. Then add a second column for date by clicking on the plus sign here and selecting the date field property. You can include time if you want, especially for flights. And the third column I'm going to name notes. This is just a plain text field where you can drop in flight codes, reminders, or any small details you want to remember. In the last column, I will add a select property so that I can label my activities such as flight, accommodation, attractions, activity, and food. Having these labels can help me quickly identify the activities. Alright, now that the table's set up, I'm just going to add a few sample entries so you can see how it works. So for example, arrival flight, pick your flight date and time, and under notes, just pop in your flight number. Then maybe your hotel check-in dates, some sightseeing like Tokyo Tower or Ichiran Ramen, and then your departing flight at the end. Lastly, we will sort the database by date and choose ascending so that the earliest activity starts from the top. Okay, next up, the packing list. Just scroll down a little and type 3 dashes like this to add a divider. Then create a section header by typing /H1 and then type packing list. Then just like what we did for the itinerary label, I like to add an emoji here just to make it a bit more fun. So I'm going with the suitcase emoji. And lastly, I will change the row background to blue. Then underneath, I'm going to create a simple checklist. You can do this by typing these square brackets to create a to-do list and then populate your list. But to keep my packing list neat and compact, I like to create toggles to group the items under categories like travel documents, clothing, toiletries, and electronics. So for travel documents, you can list things like your passport, boarding pass, driver's license, accommodation confirmation, anything that's essential for the trip. Just hit enter after each one to add them as their own checkboxes. And the best part is, as you're packing, you can just tick them off one by one and they will be struck off the list. Okay, now let's go back up and add in a Google map next to the itinerary. So first you want to go to Google Maps and search for the location you're traveling to. I'm just using Tokyo as an example here. Once you've got the map how you like it, simply copy the map link from the browser tab and paste it into your travel planner page. When the paste as options appear, select Embed Google Maps. It will take a few seconds for the map to load. To get a side-by-side view for the map and itinerary, select the entire itinerary and drag it to the right side of the map until you see a blue vertical line. Then let go of your mouse, and there you have it. To use the map, you can also zoom in and out directly here, and if you click on View Larger Map, it'll open Google Maps in a new tab. And if you're traveling to a different country, you can just go back to Google Maps, search for your travel destination, and get a new link. Back in your travel planner, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the map and click on Replace to swap out the link. Alright, final step. Let's look at how to edit your itinerary and packing list. To add new activities to your itinerary, just click on New Page here and fill in the details. You can also click into any row to edit the entries or click on the checkbox next to it to delete it. Same goes for the packing list. Just type directly to add new items and check them off when you're done. You can also rearrange them or drag them into new sections if you want to organize by day or by bag. And that's it! You now have a super simple but very useful travel planner in Notion, complete with your schedule, packing list, and a map. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll also leave a free Notion template link in the description box if you want to skip the setup and start planning right away.